Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. Today we will learn vocabulary from 161 to 180. If you did not watch the video of 141 to 160, click on I button or visit my channel's playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. Our first word is clean. Kekathan. Kekathan. Here we use aspirated consonant and the voice of this consonant is k. K. That is why it's kekathan. Kekathan. And here we use aspirated consonant as well and the voice of this consonant is k. K. Kekathan. Here we use shiat in the end, that is why it sounds T, not S. Kekathan. Kekathan. Dirty. Doroun. 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 Onion. Yangpa. 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 Rabbit. Thoki. 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 Cloud. Khuram. 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 Sunny. Hwajanghan. 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 Rain. P. 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 Happy. Hangbokhan. 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 Sad. Silphan. 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 Angry. Hwanan. 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 Boring. Shimshimhan. 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 Shoes. Shinphal. 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 Low. Najun. Najun. Here Jiot is our final consonant and after final consonant there is ing. So Jiot is moved to ing place. So you will write Natun but you will pronounce it Najjan. Najjan. High. Noppun. 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 Fruit. Quail. 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 Broccoli. 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 Banana. 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 Grapes. Podo. 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 Watermelon. Subak. 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 Bird. Say. 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 So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. and follow me on Facebook page. Kamsamnida. Thank you.